The annual Chinese New Year is coming. Chinese people are accustomed to preparing New Year's goods. Families bring festival decorations and New Year's gifts. I am used to cutting out spring festival elements from red paper and pasting them into shapes using glue, which can be troublesome. Let's use the convenient and fast-proof Velo industrial 3D printer to complete a New Year gift today. Velo printing speed, max 500mm per second. Print size 400 to 270mm. Effective filament pulling system is fiber, etc. HEPA filter system. Intelligent heating chamber. Filament drying system. 5 touch screen. Connectivity with 5 USB ports, RJ45. High efficiency and compatible with wide range of filament supply. ABS, PETG, PC, PP, PA, polycarbon fiber, couplets fiber, etc.